The year was 1796. A young doctor named Elisha Perkins made a bold claim. He invented special metal rods that could draw out disease. People flocked to him, desperate for cures. Perkins would wave his rods over their bodies. Amazingly, some people reported feeling better. Was this real healing power? Years later, a physician named John Haygarth decided to test Perkins's claims. He created his own fake rods from wood and bone. Then he used them on patients. The results were shocking. The fake rods worked just as well as the real ones. This experiment unveiled a powerful truth. Belief itself can heal. Haygarth had stumbled upon the placebo effect, a medical mystery that continues to astound us today. The placebo effect isn't just about wishful thinking or imagination. It's a fascinating and powerful demonstration of how our minds can influence our bodies in ways we're only beginning to fully understand. It's a real biological phenomenon, with measurable effects that scientists can observe in the brain and throughout the body. Studies show that placebos can trigger genuine changes in the body's chemistry. They can reduce pain, ease symptoms, and even improve some medical conditions, sometimes almost as effectively as real medication. How can a simple sugar pill with no active ingredients have such a profound effect on our health and well-being? The answer lies in the intricate and dynamic connection between the mind and body, a relationship that science is still exploring. When we truly believe we're getting an effective treatment, our brains respond as if we actually are. They release natural painkillers and mood boosters like endorphins and other neurotransmitters into our system. These chemicals, such as endorphins and dopamine, create real measurable physical changes that can be seen in medical scans and tests. The placebo effect isn't limited to pills. It works with injections, surgeries, and even fake acupuncture needles, showing just how powerful our expectations can be. The real power lies in the belief and hope surrounding the treatment, not the treatment itself. Our mindset can shape our physical reality. This remarkable mind-body connection has been proven time and again in rigorous scientific studies, reminding us that belief itself can be a powerful medicine. Imagine your brain as a pharmacy filled with powerful medications. These medications are your body's natural healers, endorphins, dopamine, and other chemicals that can reduce pain and improve mood. The placebo effect is like a key that unlocks this pharmacy. When you believe you're receiving a real treatment, your brain releases these natural healing chemicals. It's like flipping a switch that activates your body's own healing potential. This is why placebos can be so effective for conditions like pain, depression, and anxiety. The placebo effect doesn't mean that your symptoms are imaginary. It means your brain has the power to influence your physical experience. It highlights the incredible connection between what we believe and how we feel. The power of the placebo effect has been demonstrated in countless studies across the world, capturing the attention of scientists, doctors, and patients alike. This fascinating phenomenon shows us just how much our beliefs and expectations can influence our health, sometimes in ways that even experts find surprising. One famous study involved patients with Parkinson's disease, a condition that affects movement and can be very challenging to manage. In this study, some patients received a promising new drug, while others were given a placebo, a pill with no active ingredients but presented as if it were real medicine. Amazingly, both groups showed improvement in their tremors and movement, even those who only took the placebo. This result stunned researchers and highlighted the incredible influence of the mind on the body. Another remarkable study focused on patients with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, a condition that causes chronic stomach pain and discomfort. Researchers found that even when patients were told they were receiving a placebo, many still experienced significant relief from their symptoms. This suggests that the act of taking a pill and the hope it inspires can trigger real changes in how people feel. These studies, along with many others conducted over the years, provide compelling evidence that the placebo effect is real and can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. The placebo effect isn't a cure-all, but it highlights the importance of hope, trust, and positive expectations in the healing process. It reminds us that the mind and body are deeply connected. Ultimately, it shows that our minds play a crucial role in our physical well-being, and that sometimes, believing in the possibility of getting better can be a powerful part of the journey to health. The placebo effect presents a fascinating ethical dilemma, one that has puzzled both doctors and philosophers for decades. It blurs the line between mind and body, raising questions about the true nature of healing and the responsibilities of medical professionals. If a simple sugar pill can alleviate suffering or even trigger real physiological changes, is it ethical to prescribe it, knowing it contains no active medication? Or does this cross a line into deception? Should doctors be completely transparent and tell their patients they're receiving a placebo, even if that knowledge might reduce its effectiveness? Or is it ever justifiable to withhold the truth for the sake of a patient's well-being? These are complex questions with no easy answers, and they continue to spark debate in the medical community. Some argue that using placebos is inherently deceptive and could undermine the trust that is so vital between doctor and patient, potentially damaging the therapeutic relationship. Others believe that harnessing the power of the placebo effect, when done ethically, could enhance traditional treatments and lead to better patient outcomes, especially in cases where conventional medicine offers limited relief. The placebo effect challenges us to rethink our understanding of medicine, healing, and the intricate connection between belief, expectation, and physical health. It reminds us that the mind is a powerful tool in the pursuit of health and well-being, capable of influencing outcomes in ways we are only beginning to understand. The placebo effect may always be shrouded in a certain degree of mystery, but its potential to unlock the body's innate healing abilities is undeniable, inviting us to explore new frontiers in both science and compassion.